back, you can still see it. Cage is still intact. We're getting ready to cut this back screen. This is so sad. This is a brand new cage from Hurricane Ian 2 years ago. And we're cutting this massive screen. This is all one piece. This really stinks.
You want to buy right here?
Go ahead. We have to let the air through or it'll tear down the whole cage like it did before. We took the doors off, so hopefully that helps the airflow through. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're cutting that screen. Oh my gosh. It's just screen. I know, it's just screen. It can be replaced. This is so sad. So all of our windows and doors are hurricane windows and doors. We're not worried about that. We put screens up. These are extra protection hurricane screens made out of Kevlar. So second protection, and we just put everything inside here because the wind doesn't even penetrate these screens. So everything should be good. There's little Panda, always by my side. He's a little nervous. I gotta go find Peanut. There's P. He wants cookies. That's the magic word. But this pantry in our kitchen is his favorite place to hide, so he's waiting for me to open the door. This is a view out the front. Everything's still pretty good, a little bit of wind. Normally our streets don't flood. That pond might come up to the top, but normally our streets don't flood, so we will keep an eye on it. It's now 12:30. My fence is still standing. It is raining good, but the storm really hasn't even reached us yet. So let's just pray. I have a fence at the end of this so I don't have to replace it again. Don's got all our garbage cans tied up. And yeah, see you in a little while. So it's 4:15 p.m. The storm's not quite here. We do have a lot of wind. Panda's just chilling on the sofa with me because he's a little nervous. So we're sitting in the woman cave. And I have a flash on for some reason and I don't know how to shut it off, but this is what's going on outside. Not horrible yet. The worst will come in the middle of the night. So Mr. Glitz is not nervous at all. He's eating potato chips and watching something about animals. So we're good, right?
We're good. Yeah. We've been through them. It ain't really here yet.
we're just waiting. As you can see, Peanut's calming medication kicked in and he's good. He's just chilling on the sofa with Daddy. Right, baby? We're good.
The crocs here is phenomenal.
So I'm standing outside my front door. It's the same time. The storm isn't here. Don't worry. I'm safe. Plus, wind doesn't come through the screen that I'm standing behind. But I wanted to let those of you who've never been in a hurricane listen to the wind for a moment. We've got our vehicles parked horizontally against our garage door. Not sure that's gonna do anything for us, but who knows. I wouldn't mind some new garage doors.
Okay, it's 5 p.m. Michelle's making me go out to the dock to check the water level. See where she's hiding? Look. Well, she's making me go out to the dock.
I'm not making you do anything.
You're making me. Water level's coming up. Down about another 2 foot from that, but now it's a little while it'll be over the dock. So really, I mean, hopefully it doesn't get any worse than this. I'm sure it will, but this ain't bad. Like 25, 30-mile winds. Go see where Mama's hiding. There she is. Where you going? Don't run. Come back here. Hey, come back here. Ugh. So, ladies and gentlemen, the news people make things sound 100 times worse than it always is. Right now, gusts of maybe 60 miles an hour. I just walked out to the dock. The dock's underwater. Hang on, I gotta flip my chicken.
We have power, but we like to grill. It's 6 p.m. The worst is yet to come.
All right. We're up to 60 miles an hour. There goes the dock. She's under again. This is only 60. This isn't even barely, I don't even think it's category 1. Can you imagine when it gets to 3, 4, and 5? Ooh, let's go for a swim. Yeah, their dock's completely under over there. Their dock will be under in a little bit. His dock's underwater already. Okay, I'm going back in.
7 o'clock. The winds are picking up. Don and Anthony are out there trying to tie our fence up. We do not want to lose our fence again. This is the second one we had to put up in 2 years. So they're tying it down.
All right, grab that cap over there.
You can hear the wind in the garage. It's up against the garage doors, but we got bracing on the doors, so the doors should be fine. Although I do want some new doors. So I won't be terribly heartbroken if the doors get bent.
All right, it's 9:30. Let's go see how bad we're looking here. Holy cow. Water's way up. Yeah. That's about the highest it's been so far since we've been here. Probably alligators swimming in here close. Time to go back in.
Well, it's 11:30 at night. The power just went out. This is the first time in history that our power went out during a hurricane. So thank God it's at night, and I'm hoping it goes on soon. There's a candle that we have in our stash, but the wind is dying down. The water is very high in the backyard, but it is not near the house yet. So we're still good. We're gonna check it out in the morning. The pool's filthy, but hey, my cage is not laying in it, so yay. We did tear the screen, probably for no reason, but better to be safe than sorry. All the water has already gone down, so it's 9:30 a.m. the next morning, October 10th. The water was all the way up in my yard, little bit past this tree, but when I checked last night, this morning at 4:30, it was already down by the dock. So the dock is already exposed, which is strange because usually it's underwater for a couple days. So great outcome. Roof is good, a little bit of debris. Don's and my son's cars are good. Just a branch down. Actually, if you guys know me and you watch me, right there is Debbie's house, and she's good too. So thank God for that. I did talk to Maria. I know that she's good. I still have to talk to Irina and make sure she's good, because I know Irina ended up getting hit worse than we did because she was where landfall was. So a little bit of debris, but our pond water went down. I will probably take a ride out of the neighborhood because I don't think the rest of the city did as well. We always do much better than they do down in my neighborhood. They haven't been for a walk all day yesterday, so they are ready to go. And the sun is shining and we got some blue skies today. Thank God. Thank you all for all your prayers, because that's what works. And Hurricane Helene didn't do anything because of prayers, and now Hurricane Milton left us alone as well. Thank you all for your prayers and your thoughts and your kind words and your comments and everything. Thank you, everybody.